Livlet is a home management platform. It's easy to sign up and start building your digital home. Registering is simple and free. Let's show you how Livlet works. The home page is the front door to our product. It provides you a quick and easy starting point to select your property and navigate to Livlet's key areas. When you first register and log into the platform, you may choose to answer a series of questions to start to build your home. Based on your responses, we are able to suggest relevant maintenance items. From your address, we source EPC data and some parameters about your home, which then help us to tailor our green suggestions. We also source relevant area data, such as flood risk and crime data. Your home records are where we organize all the physical data for your home. These can be organized by record type or by spaces. Viewing your home room by room gives you an easy visual way to link all home data relevant to those spaces. See what works have been completed, note down which paint you used, the Wi-Fi password, track costs by room, and more. In your contents, you can keep track of your inventory items. All of your appliances, electronics, systems, furniture may be stored here. Track the item value, when it was purchased, the brand, model, serial number, link manuals, warranties, and track life expectancy. In your files, keep all of your documents in one place, digitally stored for ease of access. All uploaded documents linked to other records, such as product manuals, insurance documents, warranties, test certificates, will also be located here. Keep contact information for your payees, trades, providers, and other useful contacts, and link them to your expenses. With Works, you can effectively manage planned and completed projects by grouping costs, trades, and documents together. Whether having a new kitchen installed by a third party or completing a new patio by yourself, this is where you will keep the project details. In Notes, use these to document instructions, memos, ideas, and details related to your home. Your dashboard provides a visual summary of your property with all important information in one place. View your calendar with relevant upcoming works, servicing, tasks, and reminders. The cost chart allows you to track your costs to date and forecast costs for the next year. View your house value, EPC rating, recommended improvements, and content information. Use the Home Planner to track and generate maintenance and upkeep tasks. In your to-do list, see when tasks are due, which are overdue, and soon due. Explore our suggested upkeeps and subscribe to regular maintenance and budget items. These populate your forecast costs and calendar. Track your home expenses, create costs by uploading invoices using our invoice recognition tool, or create costs manually. You'll be able to track monthly and total expenses and who you are paying for which service. You can link these costs to inventory items, rooms, works, and contacts. We've also got a home value simulator, a simple tool to see how the value of your home will vary as a result of the upgrades you perform, including swapping out a bedroom for a bathroom, adding off-street parking, and improving the interior finish. Explore expert guidance to discover how to keep your home happy, healthy, and boost the value of your property. We've designed this guidance to provide you with unbiased information, allowing you to understand once and for all whether a specific home improvement is for you. Filter by what is important for you: sustainability, costs, savings, or select by categories. Once you have the knowledge, create works to get the job done. Livlet is not just a clever tool, it is a user-centric platform for an ecosystem of home services, with an onus on simplifying home management. Find our trusted partners directly, whether looking for insurance or to engage with the service, or how to source the materials for your ongoing works. This is a place to get this information directly. Our partner services are also linked to other sections where appropriate, such as in the guidance sections or within our upkeep. Current partners feature responsive and emergency repairs, on-site product onboarding, and insurance deals, which are also suggested throughout our product. Thank you for viewing Livlet's product demo. We'd love for you to try it out. If you have any questions, please get in touch directly with us on info@livlet.com.